Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can enable cookies in your Google Chrome in your Windows 11 or any of the Windows. To enable cookies, first of all, you have to go to Google Chrome and on the right side, three dot menu button, you have to click on it. Then go to settings and click on settings. After you click on settings, on the left side you will see option privacy and security. You have to click on it. Then on the right side you will see an option third party cookies. After you click on third party cookies, you will see some of the settings here where you can allow third party cookies, then block third party cookies in incognito tab or block third party cookies in everywhere. So here it is enabled for block third-party cookies in incognito tab only. You can block all third-party cookies also. I prefer you to choose block third-party cookies in incognito mode. I hope this worked for you and now you are able to enable cookies in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video.